Hello everyone, I'm Saloni Yadav, a student of BHMCT, wishing you a very prosperous and happy Diwali. On this occasion, let me take you to the tour of Hotel Management Department.
Welcome, ma'am.
Hello ma'am. Here's your registration form. Please fill the basic details.
Can you describe the category of rooms?
Ma'am, how many packs you are?
3 adults.
Okay ma'am, can I give you a triple room? We have 3 single beds in it.
Okay.
Thank you ma'am. Here's your room card. Thank you ma'am. Now the guest is escorted to the guest room. Now our guests are hungry. Our chef is preparing some delicious dishes. We have a Diwali special menu. Here it is. We have 3 parts: appetizer, main course and dessert. In appetizer, we have jaljeera, fruit punch and dahi vade. In main course, we have kadhai paneer, dal makhni, shahi pulao and butter naan. In dessert, we have motichur ke laddu. Guest has arrived. Let's pamper them with some mouth-watering, delicious dishes. Hope they will like it.
Wow, nicely decorated restaurant. Have a seat.
Ma'am?
Thank you.
Welcome to the Diwali theme, ma'am. Here we have Diwali menu for you. Appetizers, a main course and dessert. Would you like to have some?
Dahi vada.
Dahi vada.
Kadhai paneer.
And in main
Shahi paneer.
and in dessert?
Motichur.
Ma'am, you're welcome. Ma'am, allow me.
Yes.
Soon we will come up with more new exciting videos on hotel management. Hope you will like it. Thank you.